This short video tutorial will demonstrate how to customize the recording menu. Let's create a quick recording. Which buttons are visible depend on the context of what you're doing. When you are recording your voice, for example, the save and share buttons are not present. But when pausing, they are visible. In the view mode, the typical editor buttons like the undo button are not visible. The menu can be customized by changing the order of the buttons and which buttons are only visible in the More Flyout menu. The More Flyout menu contains all the buttons which are not visible because we don't want to see them or because the window is too small. As an example, we don't want to see the drawing palette button. We want to move the toggle visibility button to the top, and we want to add the redo button. For that we go to the settings, customize menu. We're going to select the drawing palette item, drag it over to the more list. The toggle palette visibility we're going to move to the top. And the redo button we're going to drag over to the main menu list. Now we can see that the redo button is listed. The toggle visibility button is at the top. And the drawing palette is now in the More Flyout menu.